Kathleen?
Who's this?
Pennsylvania.
Tell us who we call from.
Pennsylvania.
Yeah.
Pennsylvania. Did you call in last time when I had Austin? Or not?
I was the one that called with my sister.
Oh, you did? Yeah, you sound familiar. I remember you.
Yeah, he remembers you too.
Oh, right. Chelsea and Courtney, right?
Me.
Of course I remember. Y'all are the ones that... Or who's the one that didn't know who you were?
Yeah.
You. Now you know who he is, right?
For
Are you
who?
calling in for me or for Bella?
No, who else is where with
Oh,
you?
for me. That's a first. Well, thank you.
Oh no, I really don't know who that is.
Arabella Jones.
I don't know who that is either.
I knew who Austin Mahoney was or whatever.
You don't know who anybody is, right?
I don't know her either.
You
I don't know
the
who
biggest
she
one
is,
that I've
but-
had Austin Mahone is, and now you don't even know who Eric Holmes is.
Yeah, I know who Justin Bieber is.
I love Justin Bieber.
At least.
Yeah.
You know who,
I
like,
was just
Usher
calling
is,
in because
who
we're
goes
watching your webcam thing.
up? Okay. Good. Well, at least you know who they are.
Yeah.
I love Justin Bieber. Of course I know who he is.
Are you watching my Ustream?
Mm-hmm.
Shout out to Courtney and Chelsea. Where are you calling from? Pennsylvania?
Mm-hmm.
From Pennsylvania. There you go. Shout out. That's
Uh-huh. Yeah, she believed us because
So,
we showed her one
Did your
thing.
mom believe you that you were on the radio? Or
Yeah, because I'll show her the video.
not? Now she believed you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you showed her the video of who you were on, right?
She didn't, she
Well,
like,
what'd you think
was
about
like, how did you guys get on the radio? Yeah, I told her I know people.
I called it, right?
Okay.
All
right, bye.
Thanks for calling in again, okay? All right, take care.
Bye.
All right, bye.
He can't see us.
Come on.